Assalamu alaikum. Egg fried rice is today's kitchen recipe. This egg fried rice recipe is easy, delicious, and perfect for a quick lunch or dinner, so watch the whole video to get step-by-step instructions. In order to make the recipe, we need for the following ingredients: 500 grams of mixed vegetable, 1 onion, 2 eggs, soy sauce and oil, 2 cups of rice, 2½ teaspoon of Chinese 5 spices seasoning. Here are some tips for the seasoning in case you can't find in the store. ½ teaspoon of sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, ground star anise, ginger powder, fennel seeds powder, cinnamon powder, black pepper powder and ground cloves. Method of preparation. So first of all we need to wash the rice. Once you are done washing the rice, then add the rice in the rice pot or simple cooking pot to boil the rice. Remember that you can use this ratio, that if you are cooking 2 cups of rice, then add 3 cups of water in it. After this we will start cutting the onions. Remember to cut the onions as medium sized because they will get dissolved very quickly. The next step is to wash the mixed vegetables. After that, take a cooking pot and add a little bit of oil in it and start the fire in order to warm it up. Then add the onions in the oil and keep cooking until golden tender. Now it's time to put the mixed vegetables as well and keep on cooking until everything is cooked and all the vegetables are soft. Roughly this will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Now take a small bowl and mix the eggs with Chinese spices. And then cook in a separate cooking pot by adding a little bit of oil or butter and make the eggs crumble. Once you are done cooking the eggs, add and mix them with vegetables. In the end, it's time to mix everything together. For this we'll take a big bowl and first of all, we will add the rice and after that, add all the mixed vegetables in it and then slowly we will start mixing up. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.